Excel does not show zeros in decimal places by default. My CSV file is not properly being displayed in Excel. The particular issue is with the numbers column. I want to see the numbers exactly how they appear in my CSV file. Let me open up my CSV file in Notepad and Excel so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. I've created a test file and I'm going to open it with Notepad. And now let's open it with Excel. And for demonstration purposes, I've kept the files very simple, 2 columns, one with products and one with price. So if you look at the price column, product 1 is 10.00, but in Excel it's coming out as 10. Product 2 is fine. And then product 6, we have a decimal place 10. In the Excel file, we just have decimal place 1. So it chopped off a 0. Product 9 is okay. 4 zeros, 30,000. And product 10, we have 4 leading zeros, and 3 of them got chopped off in the Excel file. So you might be saying that's fine. Why don't you just go to Excel and format the file so that it has decimal places? In my case, I can't do that. This document is supplied by a client and we are not allowed to change the data in any way. So when reviewing the data, I need to see it exactly the way I would see it in the CSV file, which is with zeros, whether they're wrong or they're right to be there or not. Now that you see the issue, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Go to the Excel file and click on the Data tab from the ribbon. Now you want to click From Text CSV. Left click it and locate your document. Click Import. On this screen, you don't want to do anything. You just want to click Transform Data. Next, you want to highlight the price column, and then you'll see up above in the Home ribbon, it says Data Type, Decimal Number. You want to click the drop down and choose Text. Change column type, click Replace Current. Now you want to check your data. So let's bring up the CSV file. All right, and we can see product 1 has been fixed. It's now 10.00. Product 6 has been fixed. It's now 0.10 instead of 0.1. Product 10 has 4 leading zeros before a decimal point, which is exactly how it shows in the CSV file. Now that we know that we have the data exactly how it is shown in the CSV file, we can go back to Excel and choose Close and Load. And this is how you fix the data when Excel is removing zeros after decimal places and before decimal places. And you want to see your data exactly how it's represented in the CSV file as it is in Excel.